Oh, hey, I'm here. What's your next wish?
Yeah!
Yeah!
Didn't make it back home.
Later. Woo! What a day. Boy, this ice and this margarita sure is relief. Man, we've been out 18 holes on the golf course in Sugar Land, Texas, Greatwood. Check it out. We lost the phone. I'm not going to tell you how that story ends. Click like and subscribe if you're new. So Chase just called me. He woke me up. He said, hey, man, come on. We're going to have a foursome on the golf course. Let's go, dude. My wife's out of town.
Clubs, beer, good to go.
Just went out to the shed to get some more balls for Alex because I know he's going to need them. Dropped them all. Forgot to buy beer. So here we are. You got it? Yeah, but they're on a Miller kick. It was in the Memorial Day thing. Everybody's drinking Miller now. You got to stay to the roots, Wes. You got to stay to the roots. Y'all need to be stretching. Show me the swan, baby. Look like you've been eating bread for a while. On my first tee, I'm gonna go for this little box right here. Check it. I haven't played golf with these guys ever. Oh! It's not supposed to go that way.
Is that a barbecue pit? Nice hot wieners waiting for us.
So this is the chunk hole.
Beer with water.
178 yard, par 3. Whoever's the least closest to the hole is chugging a beer.
Whoever's furthest from the hole, that's what that means.
There you go. Furthest from the hole.
About 25 yards that way.
25 yards.
Oh, dude, Chase.
Well, at least Chase is winning so far. Okay.
That's the average water. So if you're in water, that's all automatically. That's in the water.
Swish. Right in the water.
So, you got yours? Hey, Alex, yours is up here. Nobody did well, so we're all just gonna chug.
Ready? One,
Nope,
2, 3,
I can't open
go.
it. Ah. Okay, technical difficulties. Can you give me that tap?
Where's the trash?
How the hell do you open this thing?
I remember my first one. That didn't go down easy. What was that? I think it's mine.
They super glued the top. Couldn't do it. Best ball per teams. Me and Chase. Oh Jesus! Me and Chase, Wes and Alex. Chris is meeting us at 9.
2-1.
He wants to come roll. He said he brought beer. I said beer, protein shake. What's the difference?
That's the hole.
What's he doing? He walked this whole way with a cooler, a styrofoam cooler. It's a pretty bad sting. Comment below if you know how dangerous these things are, because I've heard nothing but good things. Apparently they were in like a biblical, if I'm not mistaken.
The party's here, bitches! Yeah!
We're gonna get kicked out of here now. We're not even through 9.
Hey!
Swallowed a gnat. DoorDash! DoorDash! Bud Lights, baby! Bud fucking Lights! You know you're not supposed to walk.
Come on, Brad.
You know how it is.
Oh! We got a new player for the back 9.
Get excited.
Just came from his first
First
pro
time,
win.
first time. I gotta go next, so y'all don't look. I'm not supposed to talk about
Good shot, baby. Good shot.
That's a good hit.
Not bad.
Straight.
No, you're actually over
Swing!
there.
Yeah!
Sugar Land, Texas, baby. That's where the magic really happens. LA Fitness. Got the weights and gains, got the cardio. I think it went. That's a good shot.
Beautiful. He hit it high, so it's gonna be short. But... Well, hey, I mean, there it is. Straight at it. Straight at the pin. We're using that. No, you're not. That's a nice little bite on it. Oh, yeah.
How do you lose?
Wow.
How do you lose your phone on a golf course?
Does that count?
Alex, can you unlock your phone? Wes, get in this car with me. Seriously, help me. I need somebody to help me. I'm freaking out.
I just don't understand how you lost the phone.
Man, I'm sorry.
I'm serious. Alex, give me your password.
Can't you do it on like sound I find my phone?
Do that. Go to, log into your iCloud, and what you do is you click lost mode, and it will beep the whole time.
It's gonna make a miss.
At least he dodged the water up there.
Oh, it made it all the way.
You're on the green?
Close enough.
That was a good shot.
We don't know where we hit either, Chris. He can't find his phone. Did you
Tell my cloud,
Did you
man.
sign into
He's
iCloud?
rolling around on the ground.
He was rolling around on the ground.
Dude,
By
he's
the
over.
T-bars.
He's like crying. He's like, I really need y'all's help.
But he has your phone. We're continuing our
Oh,
debate,
I know.
Chris. So when you watch this, just know we're stopped in
Let's
between
call
hole 15 and hole 16, figuring out if they're gonna come help you look for your phone or not. My vote is yes. Just so you know. This night, Chris finally watched the video that I said, hey, I'm on your team. We're going to find your phone.
Yes, you are, Brian. Yes, you fucking are, man.
His phone is ringing.
Yeah, he just doesn't know where it is. It's not dead. Chris, just FYI, this debate is getting so heated that, no pun intended here, they went to go get shade. That's how long it's taking
Brian,
us.
he doesn't know how to sign into his iCloud account. He's being dramatic.
9 gnats on your hat.
He's on the phone with tech support.
He's on the phone with tech support. Okay, Chris.
Oh my god.
We have had the green light to continue.
Oh wait, is that what you? No, you.
Ones that didn't make it back home.
Later.
Town shut down, the whole town showed up. Singing praise and grace, watch the fly show up. It's 20.
Come on, hop in, bud. Take the wheel.
There was laughs and there was tears.
Oh shit, how would you run over?
Preacher talked about sacrifice.
I'm up here.
Nobody called you.
We'll come help you look.
I'm trying.
Dude, seriously though, like what happened?
Are you calling it? Yeah. I hear Notorious B.I.G., baby. Yes! I got it! Yes! 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 Literally 3 hours. I know you guys can't tell because we've been zooming through this. We got it!
Oh my god.
Thank you, God. I've been looking for my phone for 3 hours. I missed 9 holes. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God, it's so good.
He paid for a black 9 just to look for his phone.
Alright, done with the golf. We're here, we're gonna grub. What is Chris doing? Oh, he wanted that spot. I see.
Fuck you guys, man. I'm gonna whip out my dick.
Line for the sink.
Oh my god.
I've been here a total of 5 minutes.
And then he poured it back in the salsa.
Dude, I'm just really glad I got my phone and I got to play golf. with you
I mean,
guys.
that's salsa. So we're
No, if you don't have Jackson tonight, you don't work.
no Jack's right.
Broke
That boy Troy, Dad.
Troy, what do you mean I didn't call you?
Troy.
Whenever you were like,
I gotta go out because I don't know where she's at. You never call me back out, Chase.
Whatever, Chase. You know we share locations.
You gotta say hi to YouTube.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy T-Roy.
See you later. Hey, guess what? Don't make us find your
Cheers.
phone.
121. Thanks, bud.
Thank you. It was a G note. That's what I said. You saved $800, bro. Easy for us finding your phone for you. We'll see you in an hour. 1 hour. 1 hour. All right.
It's 9:21, so it's been about an hour. Wes just sent me a text, said him and Chris were about to be here. I'm gonna hide over here and pop out and scare him.
Headlights.
You're home early? Yo. What's up? I did the bad scare on my wife. I thought it was y'all.
Lobster?
You want me to take the house keys?
Will you take the house?
I'll take the house keys. I got your back, hon. Don't worry about it. I'm just turning the TV off, turn off all the lights, make sure everything's cool, the squirrels are fed and everything like that.
This is not an Uber. This is Chris's car. What?
Hey, honey, where are you going?
What the fuck? Yeah, let's go.
Where are we going?
Next door. Shaker.
Wes, I love how my wife was like, hey, honey.
At the party bus.
5.
I'll be back.
I'll be back.
Be back where? This place is closing.
Yeah, where are you going? Because we're...
Lights on. That means one thing. 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock in the morning.